The News Contractor magazine took a look at how lower gas prices are affecting the ROI of a condensing furnace. They found that while customers are still interested in high-end furnaces, contractors tend to sell based on improving comfort and air quality rather than focusing on energy savings. What is your company doing to show the home comfort benefits a variable speed two-stage furnace can provide? Help homeowners focus on their future home comfort needs by bringing to light benefits like reduced noise levels, more even temperatures, and increased filtration for a better mix of air. Better yet, use the Comfort Consultant in-home sales tool to help deliver a professional sales presentation. This program is free with a Tier 2 12th Man Plan enrollment. To get started, log into your contractor marketing site today or contact your distributor to get signed up.